Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srishti and today we'll be unboxing a Amazon haul. It's a small haul. I have been ordering some of the products last week. So there's no fancy about this video by the way, but the girls out there, we all like doing unboxing. So let's get started with the video and deep dive into it. So this is the first product I will be showing to you. And
let's get started. I have a pair of scissors and we'll cut the packet safely because in the packet na toche from the side corner and take the scissors till the end. See.
Ta-da! This is a night suit basically, and this is from a Flirty Go brand, size medium, and this cost for me around 595, and I have wearing this with the same brand, and this says Born Free and this says Just Love. I don't know camera is capturing this or not, slightly, but this is in a color peach pink, kind of a peach pink, and what I'm wearing is a base white. This is a floral, and we got a 3x4 pajama with it. It's like a capri kind of a thing, and
I will show you because I'm not wearing this time capri. I'm wearing my shorts because there is so much hot over in Gurgaon. And if you see, I'm sweating badly. So if camera is capturing because सारा highlighter हो रहा है sweat की वजह से.
this is the capri. It's a good elastic cotton material, very good material and worth the price. There are, like, what we say to it, it's a nylon base rod. I don't know what it is. Moving to the next product, it's a small packaging.
So open it and let's see what inside the package. Makeup.
Lakme loose powder, translucent powder. I will show.
The packaging, if this is visible. Good packaging. And this opens and look like this. There is a puff inside it for dabbing the loose powder. But basically loose powder को हमको brush से use करना चाहिए. I will show the brush. मैं किससे bake करती हूँ अपना makeup? I will show. This is the brush, small brush. I'll take some of the loose powder, push it like this and dab under the eye, or where I use the concealer to bake the all the
प्रोडक्ट लाइक थोड़ा सा क्या होता है ना, हम अगर लूज पाउडर नहीं लगाते हैं या हम कॉम्पैक्ट यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, बेसिकली पाउडर बेस्ड, तो हमारे जितने भी फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर्स होते हैं वो सब क्रीमी बेस्ड होते हैं, तो वो हमारी फाइन लाइंस जब हमें स्वेट आता है तो वो सब दिखने लग जाता है, विच लुक्स वेरी बैड, वेरी बैड. तो लूज़ पाउडर से हमको मेकअप को थोड़ा सा बेक करना पड़ता है, या फिर हम थोड़ा उसको सील डाउन करते हैं, सेफ करते हैं, ताकि वो सब पैचेस और ये सब ना दिखे और वो सब एक जैसा हो जाए और बेसिकली मैट लुक आए, शाइन ना मारे. दिस इज इन कलर सॉफ्ट पिंक फॉर लाइट स्किन. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू माई स्किन टोन and there are 2 shades in this loose powder, and I will be give the details, all for all the products in a description down below, so you can feel free to check that. And this smells like a rose because it says on the packaging rose powder, so maybe there is a content of something, rose blossoms or something. There is not written anything like that.
what it exactly contains. It says
Rose extracts, it says. Okay. And the net weight of this is 40 grams, and it cost me 136 rupees from Amazon. And which is quite cheap, affordable. This is a book.
So let's open the packaging first.
Ta-da! This is a love story by Eric Siegel, and this is the best love story I have been reading. And it says love means never having to say you are sorry. Right, one thing I forget. It cost me like 176 rupees, and I have ordered this from Amazon, and I got delivered this within 3 days.
Within 3 days, yeah. It's a good book. Packaging is also nice. Okay, let's move into the biggest box of the video.
Ta-da! It says Miniso because it's a Miniso's product, but I have ordered this from Amazon only, and I am a huge fan of Miniso's.
Struggle! Woo! It's so hot, by the way, so hot. I don't know what temperature is, but humidity is killing me. So,
इतना सब कुछ इन्होंने दिया है, ये बबल पैकेजिंग, आई डोंट नो ये ऐसा क्यों इन्होंने किया है.
let's see क्या है इसमें. Oh yeah.
मैंने गिरा दिया इसको. This is a small cute mirror. See, combination of a pink and sky blue, top to bottom. This looks great. I love it.
Thanks, Melissa. Okay.
Face serum mask. I know these days everybody is using and making videos of face serum mask, and we have so many options in the market. As I'm a fan of a Miniso, so I find these in a store also. You can find all the things of Miniso in a store nearby your stores easily, very easily. And this is, if we talk about the product, this is a hydrolate in lavender, and this says skin refining mask, and this is for a youthful and radiant skin. होता है जितना सीरम हम 7 डेज में यूज़ करते हैं उतना एक मास्क में सीरम होता है, तो हमको ये इसको जस्ट हमको लगाना है अपने फेस पे, एंड उसके बाद 15 मिनट्स हमको इसको रखना होता है, एंड आफ्टर द 15 मिनट्स रिमूव इट, एंड जो भी हमारे स्किन पे ऑयल रह जाता है, जो सीरम होता है बेसिकली, उसको अच्छे से हमें रब करना होता है ताकि स्किन हमारी ऑब्जर्व कर ले, बिकॉज वो ही हेल्प करेगा हमारे को स्किन को रेडिएंट करने के लिए. दिस वर्क्स फॉर द थ्री प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द स्किन,
Which it balances the skin oils and everything and refining it, and after the result will become like we find our skin youthful and radiant.
so yeah, that will be all. This is vegan, by the way, for the vegetarian. There is no animal tested over it, and it cost me 60 rupees each. These are 3, 1, 2 and 3.
Ah,
Yeah, these are the cotton pads for removing the makeup, oil, dirt on the face. This can be used as a nail remover also, because हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें, जो हमारा नेल रिमूवर होता है उसको इस पैड पे लेके, जो लिक्विड वाला होता है, और हम साफ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी यूजेबल, very usable. It costs me 180 rupees or 200 bucks, I guess. There is no expiry date on it, so we can use it like long lasting है, कभी तक यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको. It says 180 pieces, material cotton plus viscose, and how to use it is dual sided, so ideal for applying makeup and makeup remover, as I said earlier also. Storage is like this need to be placed in a cool and dry area.
yeah. keep away from fire, keep away from children under 3 age. I don't know खाते हैं क्या, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन बच्चे हैं तो शायद बच्चों से बचाने के लिए बोला हुआ है. And
Yeah, this is very cool packaging. See the miniature cartoons on the package. By the way, one thing I need to mention also, that all the products from Miniso, oh shit, इसको भी मैं तोड़ दूंगी लग रहा है मुझे.
all the products from Miniso, these comes so like it is in a very good packaging. मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा कि Miniso की पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है, और Amazon भी बहुत फ्रेजाइल रखता है चीज़ों को, लाइक मिरर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज अगर डिलीवरी में ही वो टूट जाएंगे तो देयर इज़ नो रीज़न टू order anything like that. Times we ordered eyeshadows and compact palettes or something like that, तो वो भी ब्रेकेज आते हैं. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है पहले. Before from Flipkart, I guess I got a broken and damaged eyeshadow palette, and one of the product also I get broken. I don't know, it's slip of my mind वो product क्या था, but था कुछ, मुझे ये याद है, और ये 2018 की बात है, 2 years back. तो अभी उसके बारे में हमें बात नहीं करना चाहिए वैसे भी.
So yeah, that will be all for this haul, small Amazon haul, and wish you luck, love and health. So